नमस्ते
पीयूष भाई, आप
एकदम मस्त।
बहुत इंतजार के बाद।
I have not had any food from morning. It's 4 o'clock right now. We came to Mussoorie especially to have food at Hapur Alam ki dukan, and that's Pankaj ji. He makes amazing food, and this is one of the authentic places to have Pahadi khana for sure. I'm really hungry. It's going to be difficult for me to shoot this video because I'm hungry and the food is amazing and it's tasty and the quantity is huge. There's such a variety. Let's dig into it.
I'm trying to serve you the Navratra thali as because today is the first Navratra. So Navratra in hills meant that हम लोग रोटी नहीं खाते थे, जिस तरह साउथ में हम लोग चावल खा लेते थे, आटा नहीं खाते थे, इस तरह पहाड़ में भी हम लोग व्रत रखते थे. This is the Kumauni Raita. We have put fried aloo in it and the other things. This is the pallar, as you know. This is the royal mixed veg, Pashai we say it. This is छोलिया, छोला and तोर की दाल we have mixed. This is भुट्टे के दानों की सब्जी. जो आप भुट्टे की दानों की सब्जी देख रही हैं, एक स्पेशलिटी है हमारी कि हम लोग इसको बनाते हैं. और ये सर्द अचारी है. ये पहाड़ में जितनी सब्जियां जो उस समय आ रही होती थी व्रत के दिनों में, इंक्लूडिंग आपके लिए भी एक एस्टॉनिशिंग फैक्ट होगा कि सुबह ही व्रत के दिनों में तवा चढ़ जाया करता था और घर में आने वाला फल हो, पपीता, सेब, नाशपाती, उस सब को इस तरह, जैसे हमने आज आप ये देख रहे हैं कि हम लोगों ने चुई को, जिसे आप मशरूम के नाम से जानते हैं, भी इसके ऊपर हमने लोकल इंग्रेडिएंट डांडियों का हमारा मसाला होता है, उसके साथ हम लोगों ने उसको रखा है और सरदाचारी एक नाम है उसका. एंड देन वी लैंड अप विद द चावल की टिक्की है. ये जो आप देख रहे हैं ये फुक्यूं भात है. फुक्यूं भात, फुक्यूं मीन्स थोड़ा सा जला हुआ, फूका हुआ. तो ये चावल की टिक्की को आप देख रहे हैं कि हमने मीठी सौंठ के साथ, ये जो मीठी सौंठ है इसके साथ और अपनी रायते के साथ ब्लेंड किया है. एंड दिस इज़ द, ये फुक्यूं भात इस तरह व्रत के दिनों में चावल को उबाल कर उसको इस तरह ये तवे पे फ्राई करके आप ये देखें कि ये चावल की ही टिक्की है, सिर्फ चावल की. और उसको हम लोगों ने जलियों भात भी एक नाम होता था उसका, ये दिया है. एंड एज बिकॉज आई एम अ स्वीट सेलर, आई एम अ हलवाई, तो ये गुलाब बहार है, गुलाब जामुन के ऊपर मलाई. दिस इज फ्रॉम द रॉयल हाउस. ये केसरी खीर है. दिस इज खोई पेड़ा. This is again the kesari rice. We have boiled the red rice, which is a part of the hills, sati we call it, in the local milk, as you can see, which comes from the nearby villages. And then we have added a little bit of dry fruits and kesar in it, and the flavor which will come of jaggery. There is no sugar in it. The sweet part which we have used in any of the things is jaggery, gur. This is घरिया घी, घर का घी. ये देख रहे हैं आप, ये गाय का घी है, थोड़ा सा पीला है. और थोड़ा सा आपको बताता हूँ हलवाई होते हुए कि ये दिखने में थोड़ा सा ये लड्डू पीला लग रहा है शायद आपको, पर ये आटे का लड्डू है. हल्का सा ब्राउनिश होता, पर ये क्योंकि गाय के घी में बना हुआ है तो इसलिए ये पीला हो गया. एंड गाय का घी समथिंग लाइक दिस यू कैन सी द येलो पार्ट. दिस इज़ गाय का घी. ये चूरमा है कि पहाड़ में रॉयल हाउस में जो रानियाँ आई 3, वो राजस्थान से आई, तो हमारा ड्रेस हो, डेकोर हो, हमारी थाली लगाने का स्टाइल हो, वो कुछ राजस्थान से मिलता है, क्योंकि एवरी क्वीन कम्स अप विद द किचन. सो ये यहाँ का चूरमा है. दिस इज़ द मिल्क कैरेमल. दिस इज़ द फ्रूट बर्फी. दिस इज़ द मीठा भात. दिस इज़ द थाली, द देवलगढ़ भोजावली फ्रॉम द रॉयल हाउस. व्हेन द किंग यूज्ड टू सेटल डाउन इन देवलगढ़, देन दे ट्रैवल टू नरेंद्र नगर एंड Pratapnagar, and then a settlement was made, then Rishikesh. Now it is Dehradun. Yes, this is the royal thali from His Highness of his court.
Rasika is experiencing the Pahadi food for the first time, and let's see the reaction.
Let's just start with the manwa roti and some sabzi. This has got like a lot of ghee in it. This is heaven. This is too good. This looks like some. Oh, this looks like mushroom. What kind of food is this? This is too good. This looks like chole, matar, chole. I don't know what to say. I am out of adjectives at this point in time. Okay, now let's try this sukha sabzi. Again, looks like mushroom, tomato, mirch. Too good. This is too good. Let's try some sweet now. This is mawa gulab jamun. This is again very tasty.
So me and Rashika are sharing the meal because the thali is very big. For shooting purpose, we are kind of adjusting ourselves. We change the table. Now let's dig into it. So this is my favorite pahadi mandvi ki roti. Maharashtra ka thalpit and यहाँ का mandvi ka roti. It's really good. It has like onion in it. Let's taste out this mushroom ka sabzi. So this is mushroom in it and an amazing texture of the ghee drenched mandvi ka roti and the mushroom. Slight taste of Simla mirchi is adding like that zing to it. It's really good. She's completely enjoying it. She was supposed to shoot my video, but she said, Data Piyush, I'm not shooting a video because I want to eat. I don't want to get distracted. So let's try this chole ki sabzi. This is all about the texture. Everything here has a rich texture to it. So this is mixed veg, this is pashai, and let's taste this out as well. So after eating a little bit of spicy mushroom, this mixed veg is a little certain taste. It gives a very relaxing feel to it, so it feels good. I think Pankaj gets like an unlimited supply of ghee because the ghee is unlimited in this. I'm going to jump to the desserts because I can't hold it anymore. Look at this gulbahar, it is so freaking good. It's again drenched in ghee and it's in milk and malai. Oh my.
You can't get enough of this.
Yeah, this is.
क्या है ये?
ये
क्या है ये?
खाने का.
The gulab jamun over here. Never ever in my life have ever tasted like this. I'm eating again. We'll
Hey,
order
hello,
one more.
no. This is mine.
Wow. Let's try this food ka burfi. And we are eating like random things right now, but it's like Mumbai we get this badam ka halwa type, but it's really
Karachi
But,
halwa.
This is Karachi.
Karachi halwa. But it has this cracker thing inside.
It's the nut.
No, it's cracking inside. This is the most important thing over here. This is the rice tikki chaat. I don't normally eat rice, but we are in Pahad and Pahadis eat rice, so can't miss it. Rasika, how is it?
This is, wait, let me try it properly.
How is it?
This is something really different.
Yeah.
There is no doubt that this is next level amazing, but very different. A lot of variation in the food here. Too good, too good.
So, the rice tikki, chawal tikki is really interesting. It's like a very small rice ball.
It's nice,
It has-
sour and sweet and spicy at the same time.
It has that crisp to it, you know.
Crispy because of
Rice
the
never tasted this good.
smoky thing, yeah.
Seriously. Oh my god, there's so much of food, it doesn't fit in the thali. Shit.
You didn't eat the ghee. Ghee was supposed to be eaten.
Yeah. So this is Mita Bhak and it's basically what its name, sweet rice and
Mithu bhat is.
it has soft in it and there's something crackling again. I don't know what it is. There's a lot of cashew, a lot of raisins, a lot of lychee, there's a lot of soft fennel seeds and you should try it out.
This is similar to narari bhat that we have in Maharashtra, except there is no narar in this.
So now we are having this churma. We have this churma, it's supposed to be a Rajasthani thing, originated from Rajasthan, coming down here. Let's try it out.
One is
Guys,
Salana, Padal and Maize, which was used
it's
by
really
the
good.
common man.
And let's have this laddu. I just took a bite. It's really good, but I'm not having it because I don't eat wheat, so but it's really good. So now we have this raita. It's quite a mixed bag right now. It's really good. There's something that I'm having. I'm not able to kind of understand what it is. but it's really good. This has ginger, tomato, potato, green chili,
Tadka.
coriander. Yeah,
Tadka.
The main thing is tadka.
and it is really refreshing. Kind of calms you down in the stomach. I think I'll have to stop recording now because I want to kind of dive into the food, experience it as well. I will give you a collective review later. See you later in some time. So, I'm so full. I'm so full. Oh my god, seriously. I don't know how I'm talking to the camera also right now because the thali was so huge. And I think Rasika has like a less appetite and I have to finish it up because I don't want to kind of waste it. Oh my god, I'm really full. Rasika, are you full?
I am ultra full. I am not going to eat anything for another 2 days now.
And how was the food?
Food was amazing.
What's
It
the
was
review?
heavenly.
What's the review?
I would say anybody who's coming to Mussoorie should try this out once, because this is once in a lifetime experience as long as the food is concerned, and ऐसा North Indian food मैंने कभी नहीं खाया है, for sure. I can tell you that. And I am a big foodie, by the way.
Yeah, she's a very big foodie, but equally with less appetite, but equally a good taste because she's into the hospitality industry. She's worked in like 5-star hotels and whatnot. In the beautiful town of Mussoorie, in the main market area, we have this Hapur Walon ki dukan. So the food is so good, the experience is amazing, and it's one of the most authentic Pahadi food I ever had. If you're in Uttarakhand, make sure that you come down to Mussoorie and you come down to Hapur Walon ki dukan. You have to have the food over here. But for now, see you very soon and come down to Hapur Walon ki dukan. Take care.